Everyone talks about better AI, but here is the question every reader has to ask. That is, what if the problem is not the model, but if the real problem is about the data? Because if we see, AI learns from historical information and it identifies patterns, relationships, and even signals from a vast amount of data. And that's what is making AI very powerful. But here is an important catch. AI cannot distinguish between good quality data and bad quality data. And it simply learns from whatever is given. So say for example, if our data is incomplete or inconsistent or even if it's biased, then still AI learns from those flaws as well. And this is why AI can never save the bad data. To be frank, in a lot of cases, it still amplifies the problems. Say, for example, a forecasting model was trained on unreliable sales data, which will produce unreliable forecasts. If we say for example, if we take a customer model was trained on inaccurate data, will provide a lot of misleading insights. So here the problem is not technical, but the issue is with the foundation itself. And if we see a successful AI initiative will not begin with the algorithms, but it will always begin with the trusted data and clear definitions and also strong governance. As AI is becoming more accessible, the competitive advantage is from the organizations which has the most reliable data. Because if we see, AI cannot create intelligence from a bad information, right? Because when we are using an unreliable data, it scales whatever intelligence or confusions that's already been happening in your organization. So before even asking a question of how can we use AI, every leader has to ask an important question: can we trust the data feeding it?